Here's another in-depth appliance repair video from Sheen Appliance Repair and Parts. Today I'm going to show you how to put a timer on a Whirlpool dryer. Tools you'll need are a straight screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, a 5/16 and 1/4 inch nut driver, and a pair of chan locks or pliers. Your basic tools. Okay, we're going to take the knob off the timer first thing. Then you'll notice a Phillips head screw holding the timer in. We need to take that screw out. Once we do that, we need to go to the back of the console and take the panel off with our 1/4 inch nut driver. Once we have the panel off, you'll be able to see the timer on the right side. Take your 1/4 inch nut driver and take those screws out. And pull your timer right out. You'll want to take those wires off. And make sure you draw a diagram so you can put them back on properly. Now that we got our wires on our new timer, we put it back in. Same way it came out. And then we secure it with our 1/4 inch screws on the left and right side. Then we put that Phillips head screw in the front back on. Then we put our timer knob back on. Want to spin it around a few times. Make sure everything's working properly. Then we want to put our plate back on the back of that console. And then you're ready to test your dryer out, see if the timer's working.